Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, because missing one breaks pairing. Sign into your MyQ account and update the MyQ app, then make sure your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi. If MyQ lists HomeKit support, proceed. Otherwise, prepare a home bridge or a supported partner hub. This bridges the protocols. Once done, open the MyQ app and locate the HomeKit or Apple Home integration option. That's the first actionable step to generate the setup code or start the automatic discovery. Now you'll authorize and link MyQ to Apple Home so devices communicate. In MyQ, tap the Apple Home or HomeKit integration, then accept permissions. Home data and local network access let Home control the garage reliably. When the MyQ app shows a QR or an 8-digit HomeKit code, open the Home app and choose Add Accessory, scan, or type the code. This establishes secure pairing. Make sure both apps stay foregrounded until the accessory appears in your home zones. Finish by assigning the MyQ device to a room and giving it a clear name so Siri recognizes it. Test open and close commands in the Home app first, then try voice control with Hey Siri. This verifies cloud and local control paths. If pairing fails, reboot your router and iPhone, confirm MyQ app permissions, and if needed, remove and re-add the accessory or reset the MyQ device. A single troubleshooting tip: check that your router's AP isolation is off. Otherwise, local discovery won't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.